This happened in 2021 when I moved to Riyadh, Saudi Arabia for a short work assignment. The company arranged a furnished apartment in an older building near the city center. Nothing fancy, just quiet and cheap. From the first night, I noticed strange things. At around 2 a.m., the ceiling fan in my bedroom would stop spinning for a few seconds, then start again, even though there was no power outage. Then I'd hear what sounded like light footsteps walking around the apartment, even though I lived alone. At first, I chalked it up to the building being old. Pipes, creaks, neighbors. But then one night, I woke up to the sound of someone breathing. Not loud, not harsh, just steady breathing coming from the foot of my bed. I froze. I turned on my phone flashlight. Nothing was there. But the second I switched the light off, I felt it again, like someone was standing right there, watching. I didn't sleep that night. It kept getting worse. Lights would flicker in the hallway. Doors would open slightly on their own. The weirdest part? The bathroom mirror would fog up slightly even when I hadn't used hot water. And once, I found something written on it. Go back. I scrubbed the mirror and ignored it. I didn't tell anyone. But a few nights later, the neighbor next door, an older man, knocked on my door. He said calmly, "I saw your bathroom light turning on and off again last night." I told him I was asleep. He just nodded and said, "You know, no one has stayed in this unit for more than 2 weeks in years. They always leave." I moved out the next morning. I never even asked why.